Yeah, she's gonna fix it for you, I think.
Something.
Yes, that's your game. Yes. Go look at your mom.
Nick.
Let's look at your mom.
This will be Donkey Kong. Let's see if Donkey comes on here. It's Donkey Kong.
Did it work?
Where's it? It's
Did it
looking
come
like it's
on and
working.
work?
Yeah. Is the other game? Yeah, Donkey Kong. Yeah.
All right.
There it is. Donkey Kong.
There'll be a fight for that game.
I think so.
Looky. Oh, wow. There you go. Run with it.
Oh, look at him. It's the 3D one. Yes, Nick.
Now we know what she wants for Christmas.
Yeah,
You're so pretty.
Cup of coffee.
Thank you.
For that.
You are such a pretty girl.
I'm text messaging Heaven and she's on the internet.
Come stay the night with you, okay? Can I play your game?
Is that weird?
Okay? Can I come stay the night with you?
Boy, he's leaving.
I picked my teeth.
Looks like Nick is busy.
What?